I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create this blowout look at home just using a curling iron. Step one, before I even started blow drying my hair, you can see now my hair is about 90% dry. When my hair was damp, I started with Super Shine to give it moisture and some shine to it, and then I used Cream for Style after that, which is going to give it a little bit of hold. Now that my hair is 90% dry, I'm going to go in with my round brush and just smooth it out a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with a round brush and I'm gonna use Velcro rollers for just these front two sections in the mohawk section here. I find that it makes my life a lot easier if I keep these little handy clips just attached to my Velcro rollers for easy access. So you're gonna take your Velcro roller and start at the middle of the section, wrap your tail around and just slide it out a little bit to get all those little hairs, and then roll up. And then take your clip and make sure it's the same shape as the roller, so it'll be facing upwards like this, and slide it in there at the base. So now I'm going to use my larger Velcro roller and do the exact same thing. Start in the middle, wrap the tail around and just slide it in and roll it back. If this happens to you, just grab another clip and bring those pieces in and just slide it in the back. This is the curling iron I like to use to create this look. It is a Hot Tools curling iron and it's 2 inches. I like to put it on 380. Don't go all the way up to 450 because that's too hot. When I'm doing this style, I wear 1 row of extensions, so I like to clip off my row and start with, this is all my natural hair first, and then I'll move to my row, and then I'll move to the top of my head. I like to start out with the Gold Last Dry Heat Protection Spray. And then I like to brush through my hair to get it nice and smooth with the Glow detangling brush. When using the curling iron, I like to smooth it out first, and then I will start at the middle of the section and then work my way down and just gently slide the curling iron down. And I like to keep my curl completely horizontal. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then when releasing the hair, I like to tap the clamp just a little bit to release. The tip is to not take too wide of a section. If you take too wide of sections, it's going to fall out of your curling iron and be difficult to keep all of those hairs in there. And now I'm moving on to the section where my row is, and I'm going to brush through it again with the Glow detangling brush, because you don't want any tangles, because that's going to make it not look as pretty and shiny and smooth. This section, my extension hair is a lot thicker than my natural hair, so I'm going to hold this section for just a little bit longer than I would on my natural, so that it will really hold the curl. You know. I begin to I'm keeping it horizontal, and then I'm also over directing it just these front ones just a little bit in front of the face, just to give it more volume. I'm releasing it with the curls facing towards the face. You can do either, it's just personal preference, really. Before I let the top layer down, I'm going to spray this whole section with the Impermeable Anti-Humidity Spray. It's a really lightweight hairspray that has a really light hold to it, but it will help against Florida humidity. This crown section, I'm just gonna break up into 3 sections just to make it simple. So it'll be 1 curl here, and 1 curl on this side. Now that you've finished curling everything, one big tip is don't take a brush through it until the hair is completely cooled off, because the cooling of the hair is what's going to set it and hold the style throughout the day. Now that all of the hair that I curled is cooled, I'm going to take out my Velcro rollers. And these just unwind, and then take the roller and unwind it like this. And then take your brush, your round brush, just to smooth it out. And then you have amazing volume from those Velcro rollers. Now I'm gonna take my blow brush and just comb through everything. And depending on what shape you want it to take, I like mine to be more styled under, so I'm going to brush it out that way. And then I'm going to hit it with the Impermeable hairspray again. And now you have your blowout look without using a blow dryer.